Any four-sided figure is called as quadrilateral. A trapezium is a special type of quadrilateral in which one of the opposite pair of quadrilateral is parallel. Parallelogram is a special type of trapezium in which both pairs of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Rhombus is a special type of parallelogram in which all sides are equal. The angle between the adjacent sides may not be 90 degree. A rectangle is a special type of parallelogram in which all the angles between the adjacent sides are 90 degree. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. A square is a special type of rectangle in which angle between the adjacent side is 90 degree. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. It is also a rhombus because all sides are equal. It is a special type of rhombus in which angle between the adjacent side is 90 degree. Now let us see how the diagonals of these quadrilaterals properties. Whether the diagonals bisect each other, will the diagonals bisect each other at right angles? Will the diagonals be equal? Let us compare the properties of diagonals of these quadrilaterals. In a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. The length of each side, they are meeting at this point. The length of one side will be equal to the length of the other side. That means the diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. This length will be equal to this length and this length will be equal to this length. Will they bisect each other at right angles? The angle between the diagonals, will it be 90 degree? No, it will not be 90 degree. Whether the length of the diagonals in a parallelogram, will it be equal? No, it may not be equal. From the diagram we can see that the length of the diagonals are not equal. So in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other, but it may not bisect each other at 90 degree and it will not be equal. Now let us see rhombus. Rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. Hence the diagonals obviously bisect each other. And we can see from the diagram that the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. But will the diagonals be equal? No, they will not be equal. The sides of the rhombus will be equal, but the diagonals may not be equal. But we can see from the diagram that the diagonals bisect each other. The length of the diagonals on each side of the meeting point is equal and the angle between the diagonals is 90 degree. Now let us compare rectangle. Rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. Hence the diagonals bisect each other. Will the diagonals bisect each other at right angles? No. But the length of the diagonal will be equal in a rectangle. We can see from the diagram that the angle between the adjacent angles is not 90 degree, but the length of the diagonal is equal. Now let us come to square. It is a special type of parallelogram, hence the diagonals bisect each other. And it is the diagonals are equal because it is a special type of rectangle. It is a special type of rhombus also, hence the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. These are all the comparison of properties of diagonals or special type of quadrilaterals.